When the Big Mike's juicing a better fucking scale. We're on the moon train.
Ho 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 ho! We made it through another day green. Good job, everyone. Yeah, another day in the bag. And what did we do? Well, let's do a little bit of recap. We had swung 588 calls from here. Now, they were what in some places in the world it's called fucking around, because this first minute I exited them here and then took them here again, so they ran all day. The good thing I did was take 584 calls for Friday here. Now, very simple setup, gonna keep it simple since tomorrow is a half day. What does that mean? That means microscopic volume, okay? So you need, this is the FOMC line. This is some bullshit at the close. We all saw it, wondering what was going on. You need a gap up in order to drift higher. If not, I have your target right here. If it's a sell, you are going down to 68.77, okay? Which we will revisit, if not this week, then on Monday. But for optics here, I hope they just drifted higher. It's a bitch to trade because you need to already have been in, or you need to scalp with size. So the reason we need to, we're gonna, if we stay in this, remember this trend channel, remember it kept doing that shit all the time. If we can just start doing that here for a little bit, we'll be fine. And this can make its cup, then have the pullback down there, and then handle. That's a wrap. That's a wrap on the whole thing. Then we're already in Q1. Okay, Q1, I think you will get the high in January, and then there's gonna be fuckery. And I'll go over this in the market analysis, which is coming, but here's basically, I think we trade this as opposed to trading this. You're gonna tariffs, fucking blah 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 blah, China deal, oh, handshakes, woo, okay. And then we'll see, they're probably gonna have to pump it into the midterms to see if they can get any voter turnout on either side, because I mean, at this point in time, who wants to be involved in their system? But nevertheless, tomorrow, so very easy. If we gap under here, we're gonna go back test this 5-minute 100, okay? Why do I say it's the 5-minute 100? Well, it's the same shit as the hourly 21. You see these volumes, we're coming fucking right back down to here, okay? So like, keep that in mind. This is where it's going on the first sell. It could be good for a bounce, blah blah blah. You actually want this to like push higher and go to as close to the collar as possible before it pulls back. So like there would be fucking great, and then pull back and then do it, okay? So again, to kind of wrap things up, you see where that alert is 68.77. You see where the 21 is. You still have one gap, you got two gaps. This is not a gap up. What makes it difficult? The VIX prices how much people are willing to pay for puts. This is like overly bullish right now. Everybody is in center rally mode, so premiums are very difficult and you will get fucked, okay? But that's again why we have a plethora of tricks up our sleeve here. One is Meta, okay? Meta is going to 700, so like loading this on dips is the shit. That paid again today inside daily candle, okay? Whoa, that means maybe tomorrow, maybe. Okay, Nvidia was the one they ran today. Would I have loved to buy a bunch of fucking Nvidia calls right here? Sure. Did I? No. That's okay. Okay. I had SPY and I had Meta. And then now I'm even finding myself in fucking Tesla. Why? Because it's got a crazy amount of open stuff up here. So I'm down here in the money. If it doesn't go, so be it. Big deal. You know, play light, have some YOLOs, have fun with it. And again, don't take dumbass trades. Hood. Look at that candle. Okay, well, same thing tomorrow. Are you gonna spend all week here? No, you're gonna fucking do a move very soon. Hopefully we're on the right side. If we're not, we'll sell that shit. So I'm looking at those. Same thing tomorrow. Good to see that the VIX and the VIX 1D rose a little bit, because from this level you could get that whole move today down to here. So again, this is very rare where you pierce the Bollinger Band and just hang out here. You need the death of the Dixie, which we're getting, to go higher. Okay, now, not my favorite fucking gamma, and now that this is updated, it looks like Friday's Kwanzaa is gonna be the low. So like, if tomorrow is suspicious and we go up, so we closed right here. If we tomorrow are suspicious enough to get the 690, bruh, Friday, unless, and I'll keep an eye on it, unless it updates and we start seeing like a big 700 red stick here, we're still gonna revisit down there. Okay, so don't get it twisted, party people. But it looks good. You got fucking dark pool buying and flow on SPY and on QQQ. The laggers are the individuals. So what would be better than to tomorrow feel this Meta Ghost candle? Just saying. Okay, that's what we're looking at. And just to show you how sneaky this market is, look, today it registered one print from fucking December 12th. That's where we sold off from. Okay, we still have that ghost right there. And also, with that said, I did pick up one new Phantom. It is 689.45, and I have that marked on my sheet. 689.45. I don't have that marked on my sheet. I'm about to. You should mark it too. If it's early and they hit our 690 YOLOs, fuck yeah. If it's not, that's probably your target on buying the dip. God bless everybody. Ho ho ho. Don't drink and drive trains, and chill with the eggnog, and remember to be grateful. I'm sure we all are collectively grateful for each other. And I hope you I hope you're unburdened what has been. Alright, love you guys. See you later.
We're riding with